No, make sure to get your pen and paper, or maybe you have, maybe you didn't, but I'm leaving some time, so don't worry. Because sometimes you have to pause the videos because they don't need time. Okay, let's go with the coloring. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and view it when you're already viewing it if you're watching it. Okay, we're getting a fight. This give it a lot of time. Okay, when is this time going to draw? Okay, let's do a line, a curved line, all the way to one edge to the other edge. Maybe that pink does better. No! No. Let's see. Yeah, that one. That's surely going to work. Hope this doesn't work. Yes. Why, yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we're going to do a red triangle dangling down from there. A line and colouring. You can colour it in off. There you drawn it. It's okay. I just like to do it like this. Okay, a pink flag. Last one is going to be a purple. Well, orange. No. What? I did purple. Oh, wish I never said purple. I'm going to colour in orange. Okay. Okay, you might only watch this on Valentine's Day. It is today. So might watch it 1,000 times. Millions. It's trillion. Okay, we're starting again until we get all the way to the other side. This is taking long. Okay. No, that's supposed to be orange. Oh, come on, Makayla. Why do you keep doing these little things? Brain. This doesn't work. Oh, why do I get so much of joy? Okay. Okay, let's see. Yes, just keep on doing that pattern. Red, pink, and orange. Make sure not to purple and colour on it because I did that big axe. Yeah, make sure to do that. Okay. Let's then with them. I'm going to draw D-O. I think that's how to spell draw. I don't know how to spell it at all. School. No. Need to go. That's okay. It's very fun. Go to uni. Let's stop talking what I live in. Start talking about my channel. It would be funny if I drew myself. Redundant. Okay, that would be crazy. I'm not very good at drawing me. Okay, we're going to complete that pattern until we reach the other end. Okay? Okay. When is this video going to stop? I've been drawing for ages. You might be bored. Just from that octagonal talk we did. We started even longer. Which one was your favourite video from over here? On my channel, I mean. Oh, okay. Message me on what was your favourite. My favourite one was the bacteria hand because it didn't exist. And I love hands because that's. But it's not my favourite, but the stuff is. But with hands you do lots of things. Okay. I just didn't want to making things out of my hands. Let's keep on drawing before I forgot what this title is called. We're going to write Valentine's Day twice. If you don't have enough party flags, it's okay, because you can just do some more and pause this video. Okay, let's wait a bit. If you don't know how to spell Valentine's or day, just ask your mom or me. It's V-L-E. Don't know next. Really? What? Don't ask me. Just say D-A-Y. That's how you spell day. Just ask your mom to write it down. Then you can copy it on the flags. And looks like we did it. Ooh, we're pigs. That's better. No, clipping. No, clipping. Who said that? Who said that? I know who. It's the naughty recorder. Good, I have the new one. I know who. It's the naughty recorder. I know who. Recorder. Recorder. I just say my name. Hey, did you actually say your name? Hey, did you actually say your name? Okay, sorry. We might have to have this naughty recorder doing this on the way of our video. Oh, sorry guys, looks like we have to. This is so annoying. This is so annoying. Just keep on doing. Okay. Let me just punish the naughty recorder. Naughty recorder. I'm afraid you don't live here anymore. And you're going to copy somebody, but if you do, you get judge whacked. But you wouldn't. You get a trophy. Okay, guys. I did this so he can call out, because if I told him he was be bad, that means he would go there. Okay, that's the teddy heart. Make sure to do it with red. Red. Teddy day. What is red? Oh, okay, let me think. A tomato, a strawberry. What else? I got no idea. Let's keep on. Okay, we're going to do the girl ones pink, and it's going to be girl mommy. Okay, that's 4 of us. My mom, my dad, my sister, and me. But I just wanted to do 3 because some people don't have any sisters, and this is a hard family. We are the hard family, and our favorite day is Valentine's Day, isn't it? Okay, hearties. Everybody knows that because you're hot. Yes, but we were everybody to know. And they remember, okay? Okay. Then I'm only going to remember after this video. Well, secondly, we really didn't, but I'm recording it. Okay. We're colouring the hearts in red. Oh, this is the small heart and the daddy heart. Now we outline red. If you don't have 2 different pinks or 2 different reds, it's okay. You can just draw it. Or you can do it with red. Oh, sorry. Okay. What does the funny that you must laugh at if you see it. Maybe. Oh no. Okay. Let's see, we're colouring that one pink. Oh, my hand is lazy. Oh, wait a second. It's not. I'm just joking. But it is kind of hard because I can only draw with my right hand, not with both of my hands. Can you draw with both of your hands? Oh, okay. Let's see, we're getting pink to colour in the money heart. Have you ever seen a heart family? I bet not, because they don't exist. Because I did. What did you get at Valentine's Day? Oh, okay. And what did you give? What did you give to your mom and dad? Yes, okay. We're going to draw the eyes and 3 little black lines. One going to the left, one straight, and one to go to the right. As the lead. You can do the bottom heart. A girl or boy, but I'm not a boy, I'm a girl. But I did it as boy. Some people have only 3 and a boy. You can draw a girl, because if you're a girl and you want to draw a girl, or if you're a boy and you want to draw a girl, it's very nice of you to draw a girl when you're a boy, because you're not girl. You do girl. We're going to draw a smiley face, and then we're going to do another smiley face under it, and then we're going to do a lot of robot use, like not curvy use, but zigzag zoom. We're not going to draw lids on the boys because they're boys. And we're going to do some beard, because dads have beards and he did not have a shave. He wanted to be silly on Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is the favorite day, right, honey? Oh yes, it's the best day in Heartland, and it's the even better when it's Valentine's Day. Hooray for Valentine's Day! Okay, everyone knows I figured that out. You don't have to tell your thoughts. But now we're going to do the same colour. Now we're going to do the same thing what we did with the daddy heart to the little heart. Okay, the arms are going to do a straight line. Okay, and we're going to do another. We're going one on the baby, and one is going on the baby because mommy and daddy are taking a photo shoot. Yes, for Valentine's Day, they always do that, right, Hardies? Yes, if we miss one, well, it's okay. We'll just take a picture of the Valentine's Day. Okay, Horties. You don't have to explain all about you. Okay, we're almost finished. Well, we are. Well, maybe not. Are we? We are. I'm not drawing. Oh, have I just paused? Okay, maybe this is the end of my video. Bye-bye. Make sure to be good for your teacher and your mommy and daddy. Bye-bye, Horty.